How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your BenQ monitor no signal detected. Now, when you encounter this problem, the first thing that you want to do is to simply power cycle your monitor. Now, to do this, you just want to unplug the monitor first. Press the power button below right here, making sure that the circuit board is drained of electricity. Wait for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, plug it back in and see if that works. The next thing that you want to do is to simply check the HDMI cables, the USB-C cables, and many more. So basically, there's a lot of cables available for our on-screen or our display cables. Once again, it's going to be something like DisplayPort, HDMI, USB-C, and basically, once again, many more. The first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the OSD controls. For BenQ monitors, it's going to be below our screen right here. Now, this is the OSD controls or the on-screen display settings. Right after, just navigate through the device input, and then you just want to make sure that you have selected the right input according to the cable that you have used. So if you plug your cable inside HDMI 2, you want to select the right display input right here. And right after, you will be able to simply fix the problem. If not, you might want to clean your ports, and you also want to try changing the cables itself to see if the problem is within the cable. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.